how to turn a portrait video to landscape in CapCut. So first you will need to open up CapCut and create a new project. Then import your media either by dragging it right here into this window, or click on the import button on the top and then navigate to your media or videos or images that you want to import. And then you can drag your video to the timeline. Now with your video selected, you want to click on this aspect ratio right here and change it to 9:16. Now with your video selected again, you want to scale it up. So usually the scale is around 360% is decent. And then you can basically adjust the position either by typing the position manually here or clicking on your video and then moving it with your mouse. And then you can simply adjust it to fit the view. And you can press play and watch your video. And you can also adjust it however you like. So you can drag it and make it centered. And if you want to do it the other way around, where you have a portrait video and you want to turn it into landscape, you can click on the ratio right here and change it to 16:9. Now you can either scale your video again to fit the screen and move it with your mouse, or you can basically layer it behind the video with a blur effect. So for example, select your video in the timeline here, Control C and then Control V, paste it above the other video. Now select the bottom video and then go to the Effects tab in your CapCut and then search for a blur effect and apply the blur effect to the video at the bottom. Drag it and drop it over the video right here. Now select your first video and scale it down to the center of the screen. And you can move it like this, and as you can see, the other video is in the back being blurred while the other one is in the front. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.